Hey NFT lovers, it's Andy here from Nifty Things. Today we're going to talk about NFT utility and what it means for you when you buy an NFT. Before we do that, however, I'm looking for my first 100 subscribers. So if you can click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and smash that notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. So the utility for a project comes in different forms, and it's depending on what that project wants to offer will depend what you get. Effectively, utility is a perk that you get with owning the NFT, and the utility behind it is either earning something, it could be passive, or some sort of reward. So, for example, Sneaky Vampire Syndicate, I own a couple of Sneaky Vampires, some bats, and some vampiresses, and I've got my vampires and bats what's called staked, and they earn rewards daily. So I get 8 blood tokens per day. That's the utility for holding these NFTs and staking them. And I can then use that blood token to enter raffles for whitelist spots, or there's an upcoming champagne that they're launching for Sneaky Vampires that you can use your blood tokens to purchase. Similarly with merch is another utility that's offered. If you have a look at my 100 francs collection, this is currently on OpenSea. Pretty low floor price. It's on Polygon 0.007. It's about $23 at the current ETH price. And actually, what you get with owning one of these francs is you get 50% discount on merch from my Nifty Things store. So we'll just go and have a look at that here. So by holding an NFT, then you get a discount on this merch. So we've got a number of different merch items here, different hats, certified degen, crypto degen, eat, sleep, NFTs repeat, enjoy crypto. We've got 3 pages here of different merch. For example, this one here, JPEG dealer. We'll just jump into it. We can choose a color, maybe camo. Now, with these, they're currently $30 or $29.99. But by owning one of my 100 francs, then you get a 50% discount off that. So that's actually works out to be a little bit below my cost price. So I lose a little bit of money on that. But by owning the franc, then that's one of the utilities you get. Another project that I want to show you the utility with is this one here. It's called NFT Mindshare. Now, NFT Mindshare is minting on April the 10th. We've got the NFT collection here, but we'll just scroll down. Now, what this project is looking to do is, from the proceeds from the NFT sale, they're going to buy a whole lot of mining equipment. And once that mining equipment's up and running, then the rewards or the money crypto earned from this mining will be returned. A percentage will be returned to NFT holders. So you get passive income as your utility reward in this case. So anyway, there's a wide range of different rewards you can get from the utility that an NFT has, and it's quite important to look at the roadmap when you're looking at any NFT project to sort of see what utility they have coming up. Some of them can be airdrops of other NFTs, which gives you extra value, or it could be discounts off merchandise, as I said, or a different token. So by staking your NFT, then you get rewarded in a token that you can then use to spend within the NFT ecosystem, or trade for different currencies. So that's, in a nutshell, sort of an overview of what utility is with NFTs. As I said, it can be wide-ranging, but there's definitely some benefit in holding an NFT instead of just going for the quick flip where you can make some money up front. There's more the long hold. That's it for me today, and wrapping up what utility is. I hope that makes it understandable for you. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you've got any ideas on the type of content you'd like to see, leave them in the comments below as well. And before you leave, if you could just give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and smash that notification bell. Thanks for watching.